Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Doing another ride and review today. I have the day off, and I got a friend in town that I haven't seen in probably 15 or 20 years from law school. We have a mutual friend, we found out, who works for the Quality Branded Restaurant Group. He's a manager over at Bad Roman. So we're meeting up at Wollensky Grill for lunch. I've never been to Wollensky Grill. I've been to Smith & Wollensky, which is basically attached to it. It's right next door. Got my name on the plaque in there. But I never had a chance to get over and eat at Wollensky Grill. So I'm looking forward to it. They have some great lunch items. I think they have English cut prime rib, which is probably what I'm gonna get. And so I'm just gunning up 3rd Avenue right now. I'm gonna stop at like 40th Street, 41st Street, and say hi to the cake dealer on my way up. She's at work today. But yeah, this should be a good meal. I love a good power lunch, so this will be fun. Smith & Wollensky is on 3rd Avenue at 49th Street. So it's just 24 streets from here. And I've got a pretty decent green wave going so far since I started off at 14th. Can't complain. Just gunning it. Just keeping a lookout for these crazies in the cabs. I don't know how much video I'm going to take. We might just, you know, want to hang out and talk and stuff, so maybe I'll just snap a couple of photos, but I would like to get some video and show you my plaque. My plaque is hanging right above the host station in the main entrance for the main restaurant, Smith & Wollensky. It's pretty cool. It's dead center. Little part of New York City history, and Johnny Prime is part of it, so I'm psyched about it. I was able to pull that off because I became very close with the waiter there, because he used to run a steakhouse downtown that I used to visit very frequently, so we became buddies. The old steakhouse downtown where I met him is called, well, it was called Greenwich Steakhouse. It's closed now. The guy's name is Benny, and he's over at Il Tonello East now. He runs that place, which is also very good Italian food. They serve up great steaks as well. Definitely worth giving that place a shot. Oh, we got a lot of traffic here. Oh, you know what? This is tunnel traffic. This is tunnel traffic for the Midtown Tunnel. They think it's a 3-lane street to turn. All right, so I'm almost at the cake dealers. More traffic, more bridge traffic. I mean tunnel traffic. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. And now it's like wide open. All right, so she is just up here on the right. So I'm gonna go around this moving truck, box truck. I was one street back. I went to I stopped at the wrong section.
Where are you gonna park your bike? Just outside?
Yeah, there's a pole. Yeah, something like this over there. So I'll just lock it up against the pole.
Yeah.
If I don't feel right about it, I'll put it in the lot.
Have a nice lunch, man.
All right, I'll see you later. All right, pit stop to see the cake dealer. I'm on 42nd now. All right, just 7 streets to go. This place is on basically right on the corner, 3rd and 49th. Almost there. Hanging out in the bus lane. Hopefully there's a good parking situation here. I know there's some poles nearby. They're not like bike rack poles, but they're like sign poles. So hopefully that'll be fine. If not, I know there's an overpriced parking garage across the street. I actually called before I left to see what they charge, and they said like 30 an hour, which is nuts. The most I paid is like $7. So I don't know what the hell the deal is, but you know, that's what we're dealing with. Here it is, Smith & Wollensky and Wollensky Grill. Right behind it on the side over there. And this is the overpriced parking garage right here. So he locked this bad boy up. Hello. How are you? I have to get a little video of my plaque.
I'm thinking a big, like a cab of some sort. So I live in Oregon now, so
Okay,
Pinot Noir.
Yeah.
Man, we
I went
have.
to Pinot Camp this year.
Wow.
Did you?
Yeah.
Dude, we have
Well, actually, technically, it's going on very soon. I went last year. It's a year ago.
best Pinot Noir.
A single one. The first time I think in the history of the James Beard Awards.
And then one of the guys,
Not a single New York restaurant or chef.
This Korean guy.
Prime rib. Oh, there you go. That's Cajun.
That looks nice.
And that sandwich over there.
Also, this plate.
Thank you very much.
Yes, please.
Yeah, please. Yeah. I was here last summer. There was a guy that was retiring. He'd been here 42 years.
Coconut cake and mango ice cream. This is my
Ooh.
favorite. This is probably my favorite dessert in
humor.
the whole city.
Right? Good humor.
Haagen-Dazs.
Yeah.
Is it Good Humor? Oh yeah, Good Humor made the shortcake.
Right.
All right. So, Smith & Wollensky Power Lunch. That was excellent. Prime rib, way better than I remember. I ordered the small English cut, which is just like usually 3, sometimes 4 thin slices of prime rib. I didn't think I would have an appetite, but they actually brought out the full-size prime rib for me, so I was super happy about that. It was amazing. It was awesome to see my friend Brian. I haven't seen him in so long, probably 20 plus years, 22 years, maybe 23. Probably the last time I saw him was probably 2001 or 2. Crazy. So that was a real treat. He's, as I said on the way up, he's friends with Elliot, who's kind of a bigwig in the quality branded restaurant group. Very cool. They go way back. They worked together at AIG a long time ago. I wish I had my video camera on. We did a little tour of the wine cellar and the little aging room and the butcher area. Very special. Really nice down there. They have some insane stuff down there. Like even just like wine alone, because I don't really know the wine as well as I know the liquor. But even just a couple of small bottles of liquor that I saw there were like, they have a special UK edition release of Blanton's down there. I think I took a shot of that. They had a Macallan 25, an edition 6. Very special stuff. Anyway, like I was saying on the way up, I've been here a bunch of times. This is my first time at the actual Wollensky grill side. It's mostly the same food. Like you have full access to the Smith & Wollensky menu from the Wollensky grill side. Vice versa, I'm not sure. But obviously if you're here for lunch, they have insane sandwiches. They have like a filet mignon sandwich, prime rib, sliced prime rib sandwich, which if you ask for the jus on the side, you can make it a French dip, which is what Elliot did. I had the prime rib, full prime rib. You can get the English cut. It's really a great place to go. Power Lunch Central. That's where you got to do it. So as usual, make sure you jump out to the website, JohnnyPrimeSteaks.com. A decade of reviews on this place, updated throughout the years. Make sure you check it out. All the photos, the full write-up, the whole nine. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and the most important family member, your grandma. You gotta tell your fucking grandma. Tell her all about this shit. She's gonna wanna know what Johnny Prime is up to. Later.